up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to show you how to play Cherry Flavored by the Neighbourhood. So we got the keyboard on the first fret. We just need 3 chords, and with the keyboard on the first fret it's gonna be super easy. So don't need to worry about the structure, even though it's just like intro, verse, pre-chorus, chorus, like most of the songs. And the great thing about the song is the same thing is going throughout the whole song, and I'm just gonna show you 2-string pattern. So let's have a look at the chords firstly. First chord will be a F major, which is 1 3 3 2 1 1. You can just pause the video, have a look at the chord shape, practice a lot. One thing is, if you just want to master the bar chords, you can check out my video. I show you how to play the bar chords. If you're struggling to play the bar chords, so you can just hear that. A minor chord, which is mute open second second first open. Then a C major, which is mute 3 2 0 1 0. And that's pretty much everything. Now this string pattern, I like to go for the verse and the pre-chorus, and when I come into the middle of the song, to build up with the dynamics, I just do another string pattern. So have a look at the first string pattern. It's gonna be very easy. So the chord progression will be F major, again a F major, A minor, and a C. And this goes in a loop throughout the whole song, which is the greatest part of the song. So F, again a F, then a A minor, then a C. Have a look at the tempo. On the string pattern, just have a look. It will be 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. I hope you can see my right hand. So what I'm doing is I'm doing 4 down stroke. So I got 1 2 3 4 down stroke, but the 1, the 2 and the 4, I'm just trying to play the bass notes of the string. Like I'm just strumming the full chord over here. I like to strum the upper strings, the 6th string, the 5th string, and the 4th string. Just strum that. So 1 2, and on the 3, so on the 3 we have that beat. So on the 3 we got the beat, and therefore on the 3 just gonna strum the full chord, and that's it. 1 2 3 4, twice for each chord, and you're just done for the song. So we got 3 4. So you see 1 2 3 4. So see how I'm strumming. So yes, low low high low 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 high low. So 1 2 3 4, down 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 down. You repeat twice on each chord and you're done. So let's play on the F, F, A minor, C. I hope it's quite easy, but if you're still facing this problem, feel free to ask me down below. Now the next string pattern is likely a lot easy. So what you're doing is we do 4 down stroke in each chord. Now all the downs, like we did 1 2 4, but over here we have the 1 2 3 4 all same. So normal 4 down stroke in each chord, and that's basically the second string pattern, which I like just to do for the chorus and all of the song. So it will be, you strum the full chord and you do that. So we got 8 down on one chord, which means we have 16 down on the F, 8 downs on the A minor, and 8 downs on the C. So we got notice when I just change to another chord, I actually do a up and then I move on to the next chord. So it's actually a lot easy for me to do that, and even you can try that out. It will be very easy. It's super cool. Like if you struggle shifting from the chord change the position, so you can just try out that. Like you can do down down, when the moment comes you're changing to the chord, you can just do a up stroke. So we got down. And that's pretty much everything. everything for the song. So if this helped you out, make sure to drop in one of these. Subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. And also I'm just planning to do something special for it. So make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, drop your comment down below, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye. And even if you're searching for some new music which is out on this Friday, you can actually check out my channel, because I'm covering all the new music which came out recently. Bye.